put the exhaust on the La Ferrari of Yamaha.
The R1M.
When I was driving this thing home, man, like, I stalled it so many times.
Third stall. Stall! Don't stall it. And then I realized it. No!
And I was terrified because it's quiet.
It is quiet. It is really quiet. No one can hear me. Nobody knows I'm here. This is about as loud as a golf cart.
I think this is probably the hands down, like, you have to do this to a bike like this. I don't know why Yamaha...
It needs to be loud. So here's the factory exhaust.
This is the factory exhaust?
Yeah. You can look through and you realize it's completely straight through.
That's the factory.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my. This collector or whatever, what is that thing?
That's the catalytic converter and a little butterfly system.
The catalytic converter and butterfly system, just plug it right up.
Yeah. We're gonna replace this big ass box that comes all the way up to here.
Yeah.
The lunch box.
A titanium delete pipe.
Yeah.
Akrapovic.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
With this, it will spit fire and deceleration.
I spit fire too. We'll both spit fire.
All right, this is the test with lawnmower noise.
Cold start.
Holy shit.
What's the matter?
Holy fuck, I'm getting high on that shit, man. 80, 81, somewhere
81?
around.
Yeah,
somewhere
like
around
who
there.
knows? That app, God
Yeah,
knows the
81.
accuracy of this thing, but we're gonna say 81.
That's it. You can see the exhaust difference with that valve open
Yeah.
with this factory shit on.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Jesus. So that's how it should sound.
Yeah, so it baffles itself.
Can you just delete that?
Yeah, I got just the thing for it.
Free!
No, I would say about 10 to under 15 for sure.
Yeah, 14, 15 pounds.
Yeah, easily. Hello. See, it's like that.
Yeah.
That's like
course.
1 pound.
All right, Yamaha R1M straight pipe test.
Straight pipe test. This is gonna hurt.
What did you think? What do you think,
was
Jimmy?
good. It was a, an 85, 84, but it wasn't really bad.
84.
See, a little louder than 84.
Stock was 80.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that app, man? Where is that app from?
Internet, man. Reliable source.
Oh my.
awesome. It sounds great, man. Oh my God, it does spit fire.
Flamethrower. It sounds almost like Gord's car.
How is it? Qualify? Ah, man, it's great looking, great sounding. You took off a serious amount of weight. This is what it should have been like out of the box. This is a Wasp. Yee! And then this is rah, rah.
This is how we finish it. That's how. With the right order and the right man. Good rip tonight.
Absolutely.
Didn't rip anywhere, really.
No?
No, not really. But
Never good enough for the man. But this is good enough. Right? At least this. Awesome.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.